5 seconds. Start. Order A.K. Srivastav, Justice Dash. By this petition, under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, the petitioners are challenging the validity of the impugned order dated 8/10/2009 passed by Learned Executing Court in execution case number 35-A oblique 1999, whereby the objections raised by the judgment debtors oblique petitioners have been rejected. Para 2. The facts necessary for the disposal of this petition are that a suit for removal of the encroachment was filed by the respondents number 1 to 4. The suit was decreed. According to the decree holders oblique respondent number 1 to 4, the defendants number 1 to 8 have encroached upon the bylane of the highway, as a result of which his property to the bylane from his house has been totally obstructed. Para 3. Learned Trial Court framed issue number 5 and 6, specifically whether the defendants number 2 to 8 have encroached upon the bylane of the highway, as a result of which the plaintiffs are facing great difficulty to approach the highway on account of the said encroachment. After recording the evidence of the parties, the suit of plaintiff was decreed against the defendant numbers 5, 7 and 8, namely Prakash Dhimer, Hariram and Raghuvar Jamdar. The petitioner number 3 is said to be the adopted son of 8th defendant Raghuvar Jamdar. When the decree was put to execution, an objection was raised on behalf of the judgment debtors that the decree has been passed against dead person, since before passing the judgment and decree, 8th defendant Raghuvar had died, and without bringing the LRs on record, the decree which has been passed against a dead person, and thus it is null and void. This objection was opposed by the decree holders. Para 4. The Learned Executing Court dismissed the objections and directed to execute the decree. In this manner, this petition has been filed. Para 5. The contention of Shri Shah Learned Counsel for the petitioners is that since 8th defendant Raghuvar had died long back on 15/11/2001 when the suit was pending, therefore the judgment and decree of Learned Trial Court, which was passed on 13/8/2004, was against a dead person, and if that would be the position, the decree cannot be executed. Para 6. However, Shri Akhilesh Jain, Learned Counsel for the decree holder, argued in support of the impugned order and submitted that while deciding issues number 5 and 6, categorically it has been held by the executing court that defendants number 5, 7 and 8 have encroached upon the particular piece of land, the description whereof has been mentioned in the impugned order, and therefore their encroachment should be removed. Learned Counsel further submits that deceased Raghuvar was arrayed as defendant number 8 in the suit, and he was served with the summons of the suit. However, he did not remain present in the trial court. Therefore, wide order dated 28/8/1999, he was proceeded ex parte, and therefore thereafter on 15/11/2001 he had died, and if that would be the position in terms of order 22 rule 4 in bracket 4 of the CPC, it was not necessary to bring the LRs of deceased defendant who was preceded ex parte. Stop.